AI modeling and process technical documentation with DNN and Python libraries used for maintenance. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. This document outlines the technical details of the AI model and process, focusing on the deep neural network, DNN, architecture and Python libraries used for its development and maintenance. AI model and process overview. Briefly describe the purpose and functionality of the AI model and its integration within the overall process. Explain the data flow through the process, highlighting the input data used for training and prediction, and the output generated by the model. Mention any pre-processing steps involved in preparing the data for the model. 2. Deep neural network architecture. Specify the type of DNN architecture used, example CNN, RNN, LSTM, etc., and justify its choice for the specific task. Provide a detailed diagram of the network architecture, including the number and type of layers, activation functions, and connection patterns. Briefly explain the role of each layer in the network and its contribution to the overall model performance. 3. Python libraries used. List the core Python libraries used for building and training the DNN model. Some common libraries include TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, NumPy, Pandas, etc. Briefly explain the functionality of each library and its specific role in the development process. Mention any additional libraries used for data pre-processing, visualization, or other auxiliary tasks. 4. Model training and hyperparameter tuning. Describe the training process, including the training dataset, loss function, optimizer, and training parameters. Explain the hyperparameter tuning approach used to optimize the model's performance. Provide details on the evaluation metrics used to assess the model's accuracy and generalization ability. V-model maintenance and deployment. Explain the process for deploying the trained model into production and serving predictions. Describe the monitoring and logging strategies implemented to track the model's performance over time. Outline the procedures for model retraining and updating when necessary. 6. Additional considerations. Include any relevant information about hardware requirements, cloud infrastructure, or other system dependencies. Document any known limitations or potential challenges associated with the model or process. Provide references to relevant research papers, technical articles, or other resources for further information. Remember, tailor the level of detail in each section to the specific needs and audience of this documentation. Use clear and concise language, avoiding technical jargon where possible. Include diagrams, charts, and code snippets where appropriate to enhance understanding. Ensure the document is well organized and easy to navigate. By following these guidelines, you can create comprehensive technical documentation that effectively communicates the details of your AI model and process, facilitating efficient maintenance and future development. Thank you.